89 say onim nyansa. And Proverbs chapter 1 verse number 7, the Bible said, Nimpie na mfrasie ani nyamesuro ejimi fo ponchire chire wo bunyansa ani mutia. Itigana wutimi tie Awurade asɛm a onyame asɛm no enye sɛ yɛrekɔ Christ little band ne singing by. Nyame asɛm no enye women fellowship ne men's fellowship enti. Yɛde nyame asɛm na bɔbra. Obi a chichiri okwa awade ase na wo chichiri ne bra yɛde nyame asɛm ene kwa awade ani ma awade ani timi yie. SOMPA FM. Enti no obi ware ane atamba abro engagement na se ne eseje na fa ko ba obra free se enye obi na be kire wo ese wuyi nyame asem wo sa ware ye no awakọ wura mu no. The Bible said oba ne die mu nso ne die anye no enso dudu akiri won wakiri din die no omo ntumi so omra me nyankopon ma etua na eduru ona se eka we nu mu a da bia na my example by quoting Joshua chapter 1 verse number 8. Mama nguma ni mfiri wanum dwene wa wi na dwene said ya samnetie and one sad wa kwan be wie wiye no anya wie papa o ka sa wie a o ka kire Joshua was chapter 1 no say fa kwa wodu na be sie bi am Awurade me wa hye wonsa se fadiso and no na Coca-Cola worldwide enye Ghana nko wo mo fa sa quotation nko a ehina na Coca-Cola ani Besi ya di nyame asam ne bobra intinanu na Yesu kasa no wose infrasie no na asam no ewo asam ni Nyankopon na ewo asam ni Nyankopon ona masam no so no Awurade na wangoti asam no anya bibia oye asam ni mu na nkwawo enkwa no ni nipa han han ni hwe esum ni ntimi ni ne so wose obia wokoti asam no ntimi nyahwe enye nyame adwuma mu asam kwa ne ye kan obi kwoti asam no a upa biye ufiti shop udi agro upa kwati asem nanga di tira adwe se gramofo tie me abosonso fo tie me omo so omo nyidi tie me. And I had this wonderful family omo ba the F5 second service I heard komo nikuru and yire and anu mami ansa wombe chia me na it was so beautiful. Samuel George from Tema, I salute you. Yedin command or catcher say, me yiri kraboni, ye show, ye tear when we decided to come with the whole family to church. And I'm saying, I mean, one shiramo. Frisa, dear, what tear, some Kenya mea samno. So, a businessman, the business, no, event me a young puntu. Say, our dear, we met me a fast way. Se wonyame na afra wo na ne nsa da wo so eno nyame adwuma na wo yi a wo de mpacho ti asem ne bi because be asem no anywhere see no you are going to thrive and excel. Say your mind if Jubilee House here the scriptures the message the elicitation of the word it is going to put you to the high pedestal because nyame adwuma have for them go so ni tie nyame asem. Trotro drivers, taxi drivers, one more day commercial cars here, Juma, who cook Masana Kwasuguso, because me qua beyond a ye and cocoa. Dial no 106.5 for your beer 5 kVA transmitter tum a qua beyond and cocoa. It who could nana wood ye. Me kwa to oda amnese oda ada ene akire etu me twam wa yi a chese me kwa ekeka kwa plawo me kwa towards western region etu go Cape Coast kwa no so no na wuti asem ni bi wo bie store anopa ya bie radio volume na wo bie ntimi di asem ni bi ye no on famu aba mesne fango bonebra. It's a very profound thing. The Bible said in Ecclesiastes chapter number, chapter number 12, the time for verse number 9. Osengafo etedu mieru, imua eye enkron eni edu. Yeah, very interesting. Tree way a little different. The Bible said Osengafo ye nyansafo na die nimtie manipa enso. odwene na waye enyuma na wobubu emme bebre. The Bible said was sankafo re so obenya ensamwa efata. The other three Bible also obenya ensamwa ede. The Bible said ore so obenya ensamwa efata ya de watchuro ye no ye pe. The Bible said na eye no kure enso. I'll read the other, to you and to be able to trust God for you. But the first statement to know numbers he didn't come out of pay. The Bible said was Sankafuni Yansafu. Or Sankafono, we Yansafu. Maybe they say to the same way, Baba Bijina so I'm here, Jina and Quatia, and he are doing such as. Or Sankafono, we Yansafu. Apart from the fact that the clergy profession or an intellectual profession, the tone chair, says anybody activity as he say, Osenkafono, the preacher, the Bible said was wise. But and so Ecclesiastes the 12th chapter, the 9th verse, the Bible said, moreover, because the preacher was wise, he still taught the people knowledge. Yes, he gave good heed and sought out and yet and set in order many proverbs. The Bible said the preacher sought out to find acceptable words, and that which was written was upright. And the Bible said even words of truth. Yeah. Or saying to say, we be a cocoa training no about a Roman Catholic father. Said the panel training 13 years to become a Roman Catholic father. We be training about a medical doctor training 7 years. No, I call a housemanship for 1 year, 8 years, or a medical doctor. But we be training as a Roman Catholic father who train 13 years. Or yeah, 5 years theology. Or yeah, 5 years at the 5 years or Latin, Hebrew, Greek, and then the liturgic infrastructure of the Catholic Church. We are afraid church administration, church management, and at the account. To Obinwa, your friend Roman father, or no idea for 13 years. We be called Trinity College for be 4 years, and only at the Yamva sorry in street. Tia, say the panel, your man sorry or your second minister or co-attachment, and son young commission, no money, now a disofo, I go through the training, I am a practical no, I run a thesis, and only at the not 8 years a trip. It clergy nan kasano, an intellectual profession. Me you say and nyame adawroma otimitisi street so no afa solonum no afa KOFI ODURO no afa sianom e de ababa be ka honom ya any free wa kura no they have learned. See, I graduate. Apart from graduate from being in the University of Ghana, Lagos, or I go Trinity, I go a postgraduate degree in theology and all that kind of thing. He has a degree in IT grad. What is the name? Information technology. Yeah. He has a degree in that. He has a degree in theology. It's a studious aid. Yeah. Oh yes, sir. Seriously speaking, there are some profound truths that goes with it. Now, question: your case will be in Safua at the end of the Paul Kasa wo Ephesus fongma etire no enum yimua edunum no o se ewiebra mo breboni mo entimuma manim na ho na munante tese enkwasia na munyanya nsafo firi se bre no amuomu no breboni na mu huru die we jami peyi asemi tie bi fa ba me ye kaso obi enyam safo a niyemenum. Number 1, eye nida ho. Number 2, eye ahweyi. Number 3, eye aho hyeso. Self-control. Tia. Eye aho hyeso onipa no ohye ne ho so. Eti waya asibo tokom na kwa sha wo liar. enye nyansa tia me na wo kasa firi se enipa bi on ma wo mu sisu ye bibi ba wo nsam enne wo mu de no nyam na butu atechim esabi ya fo nyame adom a yem bebre on mu ayede ya ahofadi no. This is the reason why so many people don't see the glory of God, and I'm talking to the wise only. It mean no we betra da bi akọ the book of Daniel me ne badwuma nko na kasa, because badwuma bi onene kasa enche na asem no afa ya opeki asem no de call the next level of my life. Ohuru Kristo ni so onu ni nyansa na afare by any Kristo no etu ohuru bayi Proverbs chapter number 8 verse 33 munyi atenetiri na munsie nyansa no onfa ni agro obebia wo punyansa no wapo adekase. The Bible said my people they are destroyed for lack of knowledge. What is knowledge? It is the application, of information, the processing of information. When you process the information and apply it, it becomes wisdom. When you are able to apply wisdom very well, it becomes understanding. Yeah, and when you are able to walk in all the three, it becomes insight. It is it constitutes into the prudence of God. I'm talking to the wise only. It will be a person to say you or Sankafo, the preacher. The Bible said no way Nyansafo. Number 4, your cast will be a Nyansafo wapane huechi ahupechire, denying yourself. Matthew chapter 16 verse 24. Jesus will be a person who didn't mechino manem pane huechi no father say no woman me di mechi. Yeah, o person wa catch any pane say any pane intimi nanti a we frame wa na jimi mu. It is any pane sorry. It didn't you know Samoa 9 verse number you are no dear na brante de betete na kwa ho. And so when who see you said you nyame asem etie. Yeah, ahweso. Yeah, it may say any da ho ojire nyame adoma me say that to me boni awurawura mu mako any da ho ahweyi ahonhyeso ahopachire tiere ye kano ye ka say oyenyansafo. The preacher was wise. Meshani amanaina minetoa. Seriously speaking, I'm telling you the truth. We are living in a dispensation. I'm in Ghana for 18 young men. They see a business before their age 31 years. No me a billionaires. Our Ghana clean money. 31 no me billionaires. Meet me abubo dim, but for the sake couple of them 4 bankers or a bank all over but a bank with me crew mukwanso or golf course estates beautiful and all that will be a bank branches so many of them look as you court. Fawa subra na meka sema chire badwuma ba akuye bank bia from savings and loans the call bank enome ya de no ka say 15 year jail sentence in Sawam. It is any daho. I seriously tell you, Kenya sir, young man ba kunyami bie kwa ma no gold business wo be boy ye gold business ama Ghana for jini tumo ebi ko tonton homa dan no mri ade de ko share na juba no mri ade be o ka say this is the 9th year. Somebody go PA court 9th year. Will be anyone in Sakani Sika. It may not Bajuma Kasamani Dawa. I tell you, one Tom Sikan from Ako from Umundi. I'm seriously talking to the wise. It is the Bible said, was Senkafuano, no. The preacher was wise. And America said, the first thing that makes a person wise, hey, need a whole. Need the vigilance or you're vigilant. I dear beyond me if you dear Babe Kugrudi or Iro. It is Kenya near someone for Subra and a TV. It the Bible says, so if you more France and now we match the Kronkrona and my own Yansa. If a Christo yes, so ever seen a conquajim. I couldn't in every Yami, my Yama pay and Piazzo Munye, Sabaya Yamini Pano, yes, in a permanent mapa. The wise only can understand what I'm talking about. The preacher was wise. Osengafo no answer for. It says Osengafo no na ni da ho. The second one, no, any daho. Someone need daho and come into me. One lady cannot be dating 4 married men. Me say when in now, tia. When in daho, you will not be dating 4 married men at the same time, playing them up. Now, adia a bow no. The Bible says, "Okwabia okwasia fasono nimdie bono entia sie bono ehuru bono yansa bebono." Adia abo ne say you are forgetting that one day eho beda ho bibia ni wa ni pa no asase so a eyesia eho na ho ebe pie it will come out. I'm talking to the wise only to be able to get it. It is a obedient woman Christ na ba betina woman obie wani pepepe no be nyansafo. We nyansafo the first thing we need ho and na me no can need ho asem. And need ho and I'm saying seriously everybody that I'm telling you and you may be on man called number 1 akesisem. The entire member on my bank account, but Scabian them a casism the resident. Then Yakasam and could be because Sereka Quay. Mr. Wemin now. Gospel no you may dinner no Yamia some be paid if I home Christo never tenas any being and yeah hallelujah him 387. No, I'm not talking about religion. I'm talking about Christianity. What do you mean? Ghana yet